Local Motors is a technology company that designs, builds, and sells vehicles.
My vision was to bring technology to the vehicle world as fast as possible, to bring co-creation and micro-manufacturing to change the way that vehicles are designed, built, and sold.
We build really everything that moves people. Baja car with the Rally Fighter, the drift trike with the Verado, and we've got all kinds of different materials, different geometries, different circumstances where we're trying to find an appropriate solution of bonding.
One of the things that we're learning is that you need to rely on adhesives in order to be able to make those disparate surfaces mate.
Looking at a lot of the Loctite fastener options that are becoming available has been really important to empower us to take those steps and kind of create a new flexibility in our design.
We use Loctite in order to be able to make this work, and we, quite frankly, couldn't do that without it. The Rally Fighter is an iconic vehicle that has attained legendary status because it allowed Local Motors to show the world that co-creation and micro-manufacturing was possible. It's a premium, authentic off-road vehicle with on-road chops.
We knew that it's going to be seeing very abusive, continuous cycles and not necessarily being checked on every time it comes back to the paddock. The use of Loctite on the Rally Fighter gives us a certain degree of assurance that we're going to be able to tighten down on a fastener and that it's going to stay there over time.
The Strati is special because it is the first example of being able to show speed in manufacturing, and we have taken a design to driving on the road in less than 4 months, and we're going to reduce that even more to get it underneath a month. The ability for us to be able to do that was brought to bear by flexibility of design and then a massive reduction in tooling cost and parts. The average car today has about 25,000 parts in it, and our goal for the Strati was to get it below 50 parts, and we came in at 49 parts. One of the key things is the adhesives you use to be able to bring things together.
Not only does Loctite help you from a baseline functional standpoint, but it even enhances your fit and finish.
When I think of the persona that is Local Motors, it is a business that most definitely is about empowering local economies to take control of their vehicular destiny. People think about putting it together, but they don't think about how to make it stay there. And when we introduce them to Loctite, they're exposed to a world that they never knew before is the soul of keeping a machine together and running the way that you want to.
Loctite adhesives follow right in suit with that mentality that we're going after because they allow us to be dynamic with our designs and flexible and to do it very rapidly.
And that's going to happen in cars with Local Motors, and it's going to happen in other businesses that see what we do and say, I want to change the way buildings are made, I want to change the way that footwear and furniture and all of these things come out. It's going to change our built world.